AGEN stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. And as the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made like this over 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Specifically, Agenus. Bro, I'm looking to just double down on this, buy more. You can see beforehand I was just buying like crazy as well. So how's all this going to look like? Well, let's get rid of this stuff here. Let me mark up the top. Yeah. Definitely looking to get involved more. So not specifically at the top. Now in this case, I'm praying for little pull downs and some sort of double break. But if I don't see that happening, then why the heck would I be buying? Very, very simple, right? So AGEN. Have a lot of receipts, and if you do want to learn how I make you fast to 10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. And I'm not going to be forcing nothing, you know, so it's all simple approach, following my rules. Goodbye and enjoy. And if you want free insights, click the first link below.